A21 dirty diaper. A21 dirty diaper. A21 dirty diaper. The man riding the wave, walking on the water. Break, break, break.
No contact on 21 dirty diaper. Your pistol will go back in the rack.
Dirty diaper was coming in here like a local. Dirty diaper was coming into Coney Island like a local. What happened to dirty diaper? Trinitron 9 got down.
Hello, Trinitron 9. Hey, man, it's been a while since I've been able to flip the spoke on you. How's Coney Island doing? 21, I said 5.
Everything's good in Coney Island. It's nice and sunny. I'm riding these waves. I'm walking on the water. Everything's good in Coney Island, man. Everything's good in Coney Island. You sound real good. Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Break, break, break.
Trinitron 9, man, they coming in there like gangbusters now. They got a guy on a ground plane there made out of fiberglass, and they got another guy in there made out of a piece of wire and hooked up to, I don't know what you got going on. But anyway, hey, Trinitron 9, 21 in the Cadillac.
Right back, 21. You doing your thing in Coney Island. Hey, 21, you doing your thing. You doing your thing. I'm riding the wave. I'm walking on the water. Take care, 21. Take care, 21. Trinitron 9 said bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, 549. Yeah, I got a little W2HY over here, 420. That's all I'm learning, man, W2HY. Waving, 21, Stay around.
21, I want to clean out your radio. 21, I want to clean out your radio. I want to clean out your radio. Hey, 21, I want to clean out your radio. I want to clean out your radio. 21, Trinitron 9, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.
Take a pause for calls. I really enjoyed getting back with y'all, man. I just got these beans kind of where I can turn them around a little bit there. Hope they're doing okay. Hey, y'all have a good Memorial Day weekend. Oh, 21 dirty diaper.
Hey, 21 dirty diaper, you got those beams right. You got those beams right. Hey, 21 dirty diaper, you definitely got those beams right. They right in Coney Island. They right in Coney Island. Dirty diaper, Trinitron 9, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.
Oh, you're 1-800 in Georgia when the wave is quiet. Gates uploaded on YouTube so Dirty Diaper can look at them. I was trying to get one up myself, but when I went to plug in the camera, it mashed the cotton picking thing up inside the daggum laptop. Now I got to fix that. All right, we back at 'em.
Got it all, you said it all, 21. Do what you got to do. 1-800 came up in my radio again also. 1-800 came up around Coney Island also. Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
Trinitron 9, I'm gone now.
You gone now. You gone now.
Bye, bye, bye. 21, 554 said bye, 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 bye. Yo,
You take care 1-800 around the backwoods. You take care 1-800 around the backwoods. Hey, 1-800. Bye, 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 bye.
I want to buy too.
I need my base station cleaned up. It's rough and tough out here in Coney Island. I need this base station cleaned up right there, right now. I need this Coney Island base station cleaned up. Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
Trinitron 9, you don't need that radio cleanup. You don't need that radio cleanup.
And I appreciate it. 1-800 with the radio cleanup. 1-800 with the radio cleanup. I do appreciate it. Hey, 1-800 with the radio cleanup. I appreciate it. Trinitron 9, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.
Trinitron 9, you're 1-800, the man in Georgia with the badass Trinitron 9, and I said bye, 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 bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Things get down.
Hey, watchmaker, get out of Coney Ellen. Hey, watchmaker, get out of Coney Ellen. Watchmaker, watchmaker, the man riding the wave just got down. Where you go, watchmaker? Where you go? The man riding the wave just got down.
Watchmaker in Springs got down.
Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Ellen. Watchmaker, look around Coney Ellen. Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Ellen. Here I come. Watchmaker, here I come. Break, break, break.
Turn it on now. The watchmaker said, 14 Roger. Hey, turn it on now. The watchmaker said, 14 Roger, right on. 1-800 in Georgia, gone.
And I got it, 1-800. You said watchmaker, said Roger, right on. Hey, 1-800. You said watchmaker, said Roger, right on. Bye, 1-800. Bye, bye, bye.
270, I'm trying again. Hey, 270 in the Keystone. You small 1-800 in Georgia with the wave is quiet.
Bye, 1-800. Bye, 1-800. Bye, 1-800. Bye, 1-800. The man riding the wave and walking on the water said bye, bye, bye.
I'm trying to draw now. You ain't even rolling more on the mall. Trying to draw now.
You left them all in the mall. You left them all in the mall. You left them all in the mall. Watchmaker's the number 2 man right now. Watchmaker's the number 2 man out there right now, 1-800. Watchmaker's the number 2 man right now. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, get down. By 1-800, you doing what you got to do. Hey, 1-800, you doing what you got to do in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. I'm trying to get Watchmaker to come out here and clean up my radio. Take care, 1-800. I'm trying to get Watchmaker to clean up my radio. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen. Bye, bye, bye.
Have a good one. Have a good Memorial Day weekend coming up. Me and old train driver headed down to the spring. He's a 10 Roger, right on your 1-800 in Georgia, gone in the garden.
Who gonna get it back to Coney Ellen? Who gonna clean up my radio? Who gonna clean up my radio? The man riding the wave, walking on the water. The man riding the wave and walking on the water just got down. By 1-800, by 1-800, let me get this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Ellen. By 1-800, let me pull this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Ellen. Trinitron 9 said bye, bye, bye.
420. You said he said Roger, right on. He told me not to listen to you. 420.
Where you go, Watchmaker? I'm trying to clean out your radio and I'm trying to put it where you can get it. Break, break, break.
Apple trees there, 152.
Hey, Watchmaker, 1-800, you did it again. Hey, 1-800, you did it again. Watchmaker ain't got no conditions in Coney Ellen right now. You did it again. Take care, 1-800. Take care, 1-800. Your Trinitron 9 said bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 420, I'm going to say bye. Well, I hear you. Good evening, 420. Bye, 420. You're 1-800. It's rough and tough in there, that go around, but I heard you in there, 152. Gave a hand over there to T9, heard him in there waving too. Good evening, 999 around New Jersey. Hey, good evening.
Right back, Watchmaker. I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hey, Watchmaker, I'm trying to put it right where you can get it. Good afternoon, Watchmaker. Good afternoon, Watchmaker. Good afternoon, Watchmaker. The man riding the wave. Break, break, break.
I tell you what, man, Mother Nature is all over the place right now. Just doesn't want to stick. Hey, Trinitron 9, your Watchmaker in the Springs, go down.
You got down and I got right up. Hey, Watchmaker, you got down and I got right up. Have a good afternoon. Have a good rest of the week. Hey, Watchmaker, the man riding the wave, and walking on the water just got down.
Waving right back to 370. back. The watchmaker in the Springs, right back.
Hey, watchmaker, I'm getting out of here. I'm going back to the shoreline. Hey, watchmaker, I'm pulling this thing out of the deep waters of the Coney Island. I'm going back to the shore. Take care, watchmaker. 1-800-Dirty Diaper and all the good time gang. Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Said bye.
Roger, right on. You're 1-800 and going to go. Hey, 4 Roger Shockwave, man. I had to bump it down, man. That doggone big radio. Come over here, man. Took sole control of my radio. Hey, Mr. Shockwave, y'all take it easy. Oh, number 1. I heard it in the background a while ago. He said, evening time 9, I'm back quiet.
Waving a hand, waving a hand, waving a hand. You cleaned up my radio. Waving a hand. Trinitron 9, walking underwater. Got down?
Righty, Trinitron 9, Trinitron 9, 121.
Hey, 121, here I come with the evening wave. Hey, 121, here I come with the evening wave. Hey, 121, here I come with the evening wave. Break.
See you.
Take care, 121. Your Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Just got down. Take care, watchmaker 121 and all the good time gang. It's rough and tough out here in Coney Island, but I'm riding this wave. I'm walking on this water. Yo, take it easy. Take care. I'm riding this wave and I'm walking on this water. Trinitron 9, got down?
That watchmaker said 10 Roger, right on.
Watchmaker in the Springs, got down. Watchmaker in the Springs, got down. Trinitron 9, riding the wave. Trinitron 9, walking on the water. Right there, right now. You said they said Roger right on. Hey, 1-800, you said them boys said Roger right on. That's what you said, 1-800. You said those boys said Roger right on. Take care, 1-800 and the good time gang. Bye. All by yourself, 1-800. All by yourself, 1-800. All by yourself, 1-800. Your Trinitron 9. Your Trinitron 9 and more Trinitron 9. Deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Trinitron 9. You say I'm all by myself? The boys don't like it, but they ain't nothing they can do about it. Hey, Trinitron 9, the boys don't like it, but they ain't a damn thing they can do about it. Hey, Charlie, you still?
You said they don't like it, but they can't do nothing about it. Hey, 1-800, you said they don't like it, but they can't do a thing about it. Bye, 1-800. And all the good time gang, Trinitron 9, Coney Island said bye.
Oh, down there in Florida. Oh, you said you gonna say bye for Trinitron 9? I heard you behind him, but you can't say bye for him. Cause he got you moving up. But good evening, 554.
Bye 1-800, bye 1-800, bye 1-800, 1-800, 1-800. There it is right there, 1-800. Bye.
800 in Georgia said bye.
Bye. Hey, 1-800, you said they can't do a thing about it. Bye. Take care, 1-800 and all the good time gang. I'm going to pull this thing out of the deep waters. I heard 351 out there a little while ago. I'm going to wave a hand to 351 and all the good time gang. I'm just playing in the water in Coney Island. It's a beautiful day out here. I'm just playing in the water. Trinitron 9 and more Trinitron 9. Deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Trinitron 9, I'm going to put them boys out in that water and drown the hell out of me, one of them. Hey, Trinitron 9, I'm going to get them boys. You're 1-800 and join the call.
By 1-800, you said you're going to put them in the water and drown them? Hey, 1-800, you say you're going to put them in the water and drown them, no doubt about it. Somebody tried to get in there, but you still had it going on. 1-800, take care. Waving it to that other station. Waving it to that other station. Yes, I am. The man riding the wave, the man walking on the water, the man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghost. Trinitron 9, Deep Waters of Coney Island. Good down. Alabama, we hear you around Coney Island. Hey, Alabama, we hear you around Coney Island. Hello, around Alabama. We definitely hear you around Coney Island. Take care around Alabama, Trinitron 9, and more Trinitron 9 with the Coney Island wave. Get down. All right, you take it easy, take care, man. A whole lot of y'all are jumping up and down like James Brown. Y'all take it easy, take care. I don't do no ghost talking out here in Coney Island. I do no ghost talking. That's bad for my reputation and is against my policy. I don't do any ghost talking out here in Coney Island. I'm just going to say good evening to everybody. Good evening to everybody. Trinitron 9, playing in the water, riding the wave, and walking on the water. Just got down.
Walking on water. Shooting the time T9 to Watchmaker and Springs. Get down.
Bye, Watchmaker. Bye, Watchmaker. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Take care, Watchmaker. Bye, bye, bye.
You're going to get hit in the head with a surfboard. I'm quiet.
I'm just playing in the water. That's all I'm doing. I'm playing in the water out here in Coney Island. It's nice. It's a nice breeze out here. I'm just playing in the water. Take care, Watchmaker, and all the good time gang. The man riding the waves. Say bye, bye, bye.
Sound real good. Looks like Mother Nature letting loose. Right out of Watchmaker's gate. Wow, 94. Your Watchmaker right back.
Yeah, I don't know, Pistol. It would be nice, but I don't know. The man riding the wave and walking on the water just got down.
I can barely hear Watchmaker, man. On the backside.
Yeah, I hear you.
Watchmaker got down.
Watchmaker got down. Watchmaker got down. Watchmaker got down. The man riding the wave just got down.
Let's see what I got here. Let's see what I got here. See if I can bump it over down around Watchmaker's gate, man. Let's see what I got here. Hey, Watchmaker. Hey, Watchmaker, look at your 127. Hello, Watchmaker 127. You won't hijacking the man. Hey, hey. No contact, Watchmaker. Alright, man, let me put this radio station up there. I want to get this, 880 caught on the gate, man. Let me get off this Grand Rock, this 880. Your pistol, New York video gate, taking a pause for the course. Get right back at you.
And that's a Pistol Grip Roger. Let me get this thing out of the middle of the deep waters. Hello, radio. Let me get this thing out of the middle of the deep waters of Coney Island. Yes, I am riding the wave and walking on the water. Riding the wave and walking on the water. Trinitron 9, right there, right now. Just got down. Hello, 888. Hello, 888. Good evening. Hello, 888. Good evening. Hello, 888. Good evening. You're Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
And right there, the 370 Keystone Kodiak. I'm going to speak up in the
Watchmaker got my ear now. Watchmaker got my ear now, but I heard some heterodyning in there. Take care, 888 and all the good time gang. Watchmaker got my ear hole right now around Coney Island. Y'all take it easy, take care. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, where are you located? You're saying Maryland. Where's that, Florida? Oh, 10-4 Maryland. Man, you making a great trip down here to Birmingham today.
I think I heard 351 in there. I think I heard 351 in there. He lost a lot of conditions from a little while ago. But that's how it goes. Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Good evening on the band. I'm riding the wave, walking on the water. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, good now.
Well, good afternoon, Trinitron Man, 303, sounding good down here in Birmingham today.
All right, back 303, you sounding good around Coney Ellen. Hey, 303, have a good evening. You're sounding real good around Coney Ellen. 303, Trinitron 9 said bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Trinitron Man, you got a copy on 705, The Gambler?
705, I got you all on my radio. I got you all on my radio. Hey, 705, I got you all on my radio. Hello, 705, Trinitron 9 with the wave. Just got down. By 705, I hear Spark Plug up in the mix. Take it 705, I hear Spark Plug up in the mix. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, just got down.
Hey, Tim Boy there, Trinitron Man, you sounding good down here in Birmingham. I was just listening to that fella up there in Maine hollering shockwave. I guess he just got one. Anyway, Trinitron, have a great afternoon. It's hot down here in Birmingham, Alabama today. Catch you later, 705, The Gambler. We're back quiet.
Catch you later, catch you later, catch you later, 705. Bye, bye, bye.